At Lynbrook, wellness is a lifestyle.
Lynbrook is a CCRC, which is a continuing care retirement community. We provide whatever level of service each individual needs at that time. And that might be everything from independent living to assisted living to various levels of skilled care nursing.
Lynbrook is about taking an honest look at your future and choosing to experience a healthy lifestyle at every stage of life.
Lynbrook is the only CCRC in Atlanta that is accredited by a national accrediting body. We have to comply with 700 plus standards that are designed to ensure that we provide the highest quality of care and customer service and that we are financially viable.
About 6 years ago, my husband was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, and it was a time to make a decision about what we should do with our life to make it easier for both of us.
One of the things that Parkinson's patients can do is do exercise, dance, Tai Chi, and these are the exercises I do every day. It's a 7-minute walk from my apartment down to the gym.
Within minutes, you can be in our state-of-the-art fitness center, where a personal trainer is waiting to create an exercise program to meet your needs.
The pool is one of the nicest features of our wellness center. We have water aerobics classes, and we have free swims. I go down at 7:30 every morning, and I swim for 45 minutes. And so it's not only a good exercise, but it's a great way to start the day.